Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome to Mrs. Bridges' science class. And we are going to look at animals, and we're going to classify them into two different groups. One group will be the invertebrates, and the other group will be the vertebrates. We're going to look at what is a vertebrate, what is an invertebrate, and we're going to look at classifying some different specific animals into each group. So, first of all, both invertebrates and vertebrates, they're both animals, but they're two different kinds of animals because vertebrates have an inside skeleton made of bone. Have skeletons inside their body. And their skeletons are made of bone. And vertebrates have backbones. In fact, you as a human are a vertebrate. Invertebrates, on the other hand, are different because even though they're still animals, they have no backbone. There are all kinds of animals that you're familiar with that are both invertebrates and vertebrates. So let's take a look at one thing we've studied were the lizards. The lizards are actually vertebrates. And another animal we studied were frogs, and those guys are also vertebrates. So they're going to have a backbone for sure. An animal that you've probably seen that's very pretty is a butterfly. Do you think that is an invertebrate or a vertebrate? It's actually an invertebrate. It does not have a skeleton. A starfish, if you've ever seen one at the beach, they also are an invertebrate. So they have no internal skeleton. Another animal that you've studied is a snake. Where do you think a snake would go? Are they a vertebrate or an invertebrate? That's right, they're a vertebrate. They've got a backbone. What about an elephant? Those are fun to see at the zoo. An elephant, which way should we put him? He's a vertebrate. Okay, I'm going to move this up just a little bit. There we go. An earthworm. An earthworm would be an invertebrate. What about an ant? Where do you think an ant would go? Invertebrate or vertebrate? It would go on an invertebrate side. Of course, here's the human. That's us. We're a vertebrate. How about a chicken? Where do you think a chicken belongs? In the vertebrates. Another animal you might see at the beach is a shark. He's a vertebrate. A turtle. A turtle would be a vertebrate. And we have two more. What about a spider? Spiders do not have a backbone, so they are an invertebrate. And the last animal would be an octopus. An octopus is also an invertebrate, does not have a backbone. So, those are some examples of invertebrates and examples of vertebrates. There are certainly way more animals in the world than that, but those are some of my examples. I hope that you understand now the difference between invertebrates, animals who have no backbone, and vertebrates, animals who do have a backbone. And I hope that you continue to enjoy our science learning. Thanks a lot.